In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Clash of Clans on BlueStacks. By the end, you will have the game running on your Windows computer using BlueStacks 5. First, open BlueStacks 5 on your Windows PC. When it loads, you should see the main BlueStacks home screen, with a row of icons in the middle and some tabs or buttons along the top. If you have more than one instance of BlueStacks, make sure BlueStacks 5 is the one that opens, since the layout can look slightly different from older versions. Once BlueStacks is open, click System Apps. You will usually find System Apps in a small folder icon near the top left of the home screen. When you click it, a panel opens showing a few basic Android apps such as the Settings app, the Media Manager, and the Google Play Store. This folder is where BlueStacks keeps the default tools that come with its Android environment. From there, open Google Play Store. The Play Store icon looks just like it does on an Android phone, a multicolored triangle. When you click it, BlueStacks will load the Play Store page. You should see the familiar Play Store layout, with a search bar at the top and app suggestions below. If the screen stays blank for more than a few seconds, check that your computer is connected to the internet, because the Play Store needs an active connection. Now sign in with your Google account if prompted. A sign-in window may appear asking for your email address and password for a Google account. This is the same type of account you would use on an Android phone. Without signing in, you cannot download Clash of Clans from the Play Store. After you sign in, you may see a short loading screen and then the full Play Store home, which confirms the account is active inside BlueStacks. Next up, use the search bar and search for Clash of Clans. Click into the search bar at the top of the Play Store window, type Clash of Clans, then press Enter. The Play Store will show a list of matching results. This step filters the store so you do not have to scroll through categories to find the game. From the search results, select the official Clash of Clans app. Look for the app with Supercell listed as the developer and the familiar Clash of Clans shield icon. Clicking it opens the app details page with screenshots, reviews, and an install button. Verifying the developer name helps you avoid any lookalike apps that are not the real game. On the app page, click Install. As soon as you click, the button will change to show a progress indicator and the download begins. On many connections, this only takes a few minutes, but it depends on your internet speed. Now wait for the download and installation to finish. You will see the progress bar move, and once it reaches 100%, the button changes again, usually to open or play. That tells you Clash of Clans is fully installed inside BlueStacks and ready to use. You do not need to run any separate installer files on Windows for this game. After that, return to the BlueStacks home screen. You can do this by clicking the home icon on the side or bottom bar of the BlueStacks window. The home screen appears again, and now you should see a new Clash of Clans icon among your apps. If you had many icons already, you might need to scroll a little to spot it. Finally, click the Clash of Clans icon to launch the game. BlueStacks will open a new tab or window area, and the Clash of Clans loading screen appears, with the familiar logo and progress bar. After a short load, you reach the main village screen and can start playing. You have now installed Clash of Clans on BlueStacks 5 and launched it successfully on your Windows PC, ready to play. If this walkthrough helped you get Clash running on your computer, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you want more simple BlueStacks guides like this, feel free to subscribe.